This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock absorbers replacement. Block the front wheels. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then raise the rear of the vehicle and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting nut and bolt. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting bolt and detach the shock from its mount. Guide the new shock into its upper mount, then install the bolt, but don't tighten it completely yet. Connect the lower end of the shock to the axle and install the bolt and nut. Tighten the upper and lower mounting fasteners to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear shock absorber. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting.